In this video, I'll show you how to build a custom stock screener on Webull Desktop to find winning stocks. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To build a custom stock screener on Webull Desktop, open the Webull Desktop platform and log in to your account. On the left side panel of the platform, click on the screener icon. This will open the screener page in the main center section of the screen. On the left side of the screener page, you will see the default filters such as region, exchange, and market cap. These filters control which stocks appear in the results list on the right side of the screen. To add more filters, move your cursor to the top area of the screener page and click on the Filters button. A drop-down menu will appear, showing all available filter categories. From this menu, select the filters you want to use. For example, click on Price, Volume, Percent Change, Dividend Yield, or PE ratio. Once selected, these filters will appear in the filter list on the left panel. Now customize each filter. In the Market Cap section on the left, enter the minimum and maximum company value in the input boxes. In the Price filter below it, enter the minimum price in the left box and the maximum price in the right box. In the Percent Change section, enter the percentage range you want in the two input fields. In the Volume filter, type the minimum daily volume in the input field. In the Dividend Yield or PE ratio section, enter your desired minimum and maximum values in the boxes provided. As you adjust these filters on the left side, the results list on the right side of the screen will automatically update to show only stocks that match all selected criteria. If you want to save your custom screener, go to the top area of the screener page and click inside the name field near the top left. Type a name for your screener. Then click the Save button, located near the lower left area of the screener panel. To access your save screener later, click on the drop-down menu at the top of the screener page and select the saved name from the list. If you want to modify it, click the three-line menu icon next to the screener name and choose the Edit option to adjust filters. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.